Destination. The place where you are going is known as destination. For example, what is your destination? My destination is Paris. Departure. It is the time when you leave for your journey. For example, when is your departure? My departure is at 6 p.m. Arrival. It is the time when you reach your destination. For example, what is your arrival time? I will arrive at 8 p.m. Itinerary. A list of places you will visit during your trip. For example, did you make your itinerary? Yes, I planned my whole trip. Reservation. It means booking made in advance. For example, do you have a reservation? Yes, I booked a room yesterday. Boarding pass. It means a card that allows you to enter the flight. For example, where is your boarding pass? It is in my phone. Check in. It is a process of telling the hotel or airline that you have arrived. For example, did you check in online? Yes, I already checked in. Check out. It is a process of leaving the hotel after you stay. For example, what time is checkout? Checkout is at 7 a.m. Luggage. The bags or suitcases you carry while traveling. For example, how much luggage do you have? I have 2 bags. Ticket counter. A place where you buy ticket. For example, where is the ticket counter? It is near the entrance. Platform. The area where a train arrives or leaves. For example, which platform is the train on? It is on platform number 3. Accommodation. It is a place where you stay. For example, did you find accommodation? Yes, I booked a hotel. Currency exchange. Place where you convert one country's money into another. For example, do you need currency exchange? Yes, I need dollars. Map. It is a drawing showing roads and places. For example, do you have a map? Yes, I have a digital map on my phone. Passport. An official document needed to travel abroad. For example, where is your passport? It is in my bag. Visa. Permission to enter another country written on passport is known as visa. For example, do you need a visa? Yes, I need a visa for this country. Immigration. Official checking of passport or visa before entering a country. For example, how long did immigration take? It took around 10 minutes. Backpack. It is a bag you carry on your shoulders. For example, why are you using a backpack? It is easy to carry while traveling. Sightseeing. It means visiting interesting places in a city. For example, what did you do today? I went sightseeing in the city. Travel companion. A person you travel with is known as travel companion. For example, who is your travel companion? My friend is my travel companion. Trip. It is a short journey to a destination. For example, are you going on a trip this weekend? No, I went on a trip last month. Journey. An act of traveling from A to B, usually in a vehicle. For example, how was journey to the mountains? My journey was tiring but enjoyable. Travel. It means the act of traveling in general. For example, where do you like to travel? I like to travel to new cities. Voyage. It is a long journey on a ship. For example, have you ever been on a voyage? Yes, I went on a voyage last year. Customs. The place at the airport or border where officials check your belongings. For example, did you clear customs at the airport? Yes, I cleared customs yesterday without any problem. Guide. A person who helped tourists. For example, Did you hire a guide? Yes, I hired a guide. Travel insurance. Protection for emergencies during travel. For example, do you have travel insurance? Yes, I have travel insurance. Souvenir. Something you buy to remember your trip is known as souvenir. For example, did you buy any souvenir? Yes, I bought a keychain.